In today's video, I will walk you through how to add Market Facilitation Index in Robinhood Legend. First, go to Robinhood Legend. Once you are on the platform, move your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the screen where the main tools are located. Just below the Add Widget option, look for the Indicators icon. This is the section where you can manage and add different technical indicators to your chart. Click on the Indicators icon to open the Indicator menu. Once the menu is open, select Add Indicator. This will bring up a full list of available indicators that you can apply to your chart. After that, you will need to find the Market Facilitation Index in the list. You can scroll through the available options manually or use the search box to quickly locate it. Type Market Facilitation Index into the search box if you want to find it faster. When you see it in the results, select it to add it to your chart. The indicator will then be applied and visible on your chart display. Once it has been added, you can proceed to adjust its settings. Look for the Settings option related to the indicator and click on Settings. This will open the customization panel where you can modify how the Market Facilitation Index appears and behaves on your chart. Inside the Settings panel, review the available options and make any adjustments based on your preference. You can change the display settings to better match your chart setup and analysis style. After making your changes, confirm or exit the Settings panel so the indicator remains active with your selected configuration. The Market Facilitation Index will now stay applied to your chart as you continue analyzing price movement.